Emerson Terry's Gate and Latch. Now this is the way I built this gate. It's 2x4s and 1x3 pieces of board. The gate, as you can see, has a built-in latch. The latch is built so that you don't need anything else. You just place this gate in position with a special board on the inside of the gate, and then you lift up this piece on the center right there, and you have your latch unlatched, and you push it down and it's latched again. Okay, I'm going to try and talk a little slower. Now we'll see the gate once it has been painted. Up and down with the latch. Up and down. Okay, now we're going to hang the gate, and you'll see exactly how it works. Hold on. Here we are. Here's the gate that has been hung. You reach right through the fence there, and you can lift the latch, and the gate works.